Hello, good morning. Today I will discuss about the relation. This is the section of plus 2 second year, first section of the first chapter, the relation. The first we recall some previous topic like what we use in this section, Cartesian product. Cartesian product is A and B are two subsets. A and B are two sets, and then A cross B is a collection of all order pair. This representation is order pair, collection of all order pair where A first component is belongs to first set A and second component B is belongs to second set B. Then the collection of this order pair is called Cartesian product of two sets. So what we represent, give an example, A set is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B set is equal to X and Y. Now A cross B is equal to, with pictorial form, 1, 2, 3, X, Y. 1 related to X, 1 related to Y. There are two elements, 2 related to X and 2 related to Y. 2X and 2Y another two elements, and 3 related to X and 3 related to Y, third pair of elements. Then A cross B is the collection of all subsets, all order pair, collection of all order pairs. Now equality of order pairs, how it equal to order pairs. What is the application of this equality of order pair? Let x1 y1 and x2 y2 are two order pairs. Then we say x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 if and only if. The symbol is represented if and only, it means if this statement is true, then this statement is true. Conversely also true, if this statement is true, then we say that this is true. So if and only if, this is if and only if. This statement says that if and only if. Now how we find the value of x in this order pair? How we find the value of x? If this order pair is equal to this order pair, so how we find the value of x? So we write x plus 1, 2 is equal to 3, 2. How we find the value of x? So we know that these two order pair, the two order pairs are equal if first component is equal to first component, second component is equal to second component. This is the answer. So first component is equal to first component, and x plus 1 is equal to 2, and second component is equal to second component already given. So x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is your answer. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Now we come to the main topic of the chapter, relation. What is relation? Relation is A and B are two sets. Then the relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. That means A and B are two sets. The relation R denoted by this R, we can also represent as R whatever. Then the relation R from A to B is this is the most important subset of A cross B. The relation R is subset of A cross B. That means R is a relation from A to B if and only if R is subset of A cross B. Domain. What is the domain of relation? Domain of relation and range of relation. What are they? If R is a relation order pair AB, A belongs to A and B belongs to B, is a relation from A to B, is a relation from A to B. Domain of R is equal to, is a relation from A to B, is a relation from A to B. The domain of R is called, this first component is domain of relation A, where in this order pair the first component is collection of this first component is domain, and collection of this second component is range of R. So give an example, A is equal to 1 to B is equal to A. So A cross B is equal to 1A 2A. We take a subset, okay, we take a subset R1, 1 and A is a subset of this set. So here R1 is subset of A cross B. That means every element of R1 is belongs to this set. Every element of R1 is belongs to that set. मतलब R1 रो समस्त element एथिरे belong करिछि. तेनु R1 subset of A cross B. Then now we take what is the domain of this relation. The definition says that collection of first components of this relation R रो जो component जो element गुड़िक थिबो से element रो first component को domain कहंती. The domain is first component 1, the domain of the set is 1. Again range, what is the range? Second component of this relation of this order pair, से relation रे थिबा order pair मानंकर second component को नै कि जो सेट तैयारी करा जाय से होची domain, sorry, range of the function. Okay.